Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up canonical tags correctly for SEO with WordPress, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up canonical tags correctly for SEO using WordPress, begin by accessing your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the page or post that you want to optimize. If you're using a plugin like Yoast SEO or Rank Math, scroll down to the SEO settings section. Look for the section labeled Advanced or Canonical URL. In Yoast SEO, you will see an input field for the canonical URL. If Rank Math is installed, locate the canonical URL field in the same Advanced tab. Enter the canonical URL that you want to set for this page or post. This URL should point to the version of the content that you want search engines to prioritize. If the current page is the original version, simply input the URL of that page. If you are dealing with duplicate content from another source, input the URL of the original source. After you enter the canonical tag, make sure to save or update the page. To verify your canonical tag is set correctly, view the source code of the published page. Right-click on the web page and select View Page Source. Search for the term canonical in the source code. You should find a link tag that looks like this: link rel equals canonical ref equals your underscore canonical underscore URL underscore here /. This confirms that your canonical tag is properly implemented. If you're not using an SEO plugin, you'll need to add the canonical tag manually. Open the theme editor by navigating to Appearance and then Theme Editor. Locate the header.php file in your theme. Insert the canonical tag within the head section of the file. Make sure to use the correct syntax for the link tag that specifies your canonical URL. After adding the tag, save the changes to the header.php file. To check if the tag is working as intended, repeat the previous source code verification steps. Installing the right plugins can make setting canonical tags less cumbersome. Consider using plugins specifically designed for SEO tasks. Remember, well-implemented canonical tags can significantly improve your site's SEO performance. Always test and monitor the changes to ensure they are effective. That concludes the step-by-step process for setting up canonical tags correctly with WordPress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.